Hey there. Time for another movie. Okay, as it's time to mow the front yard, perfect time to demonstrate the difference between the petrol mower and the battery mower which was recently acquired. Now, I've got to confess to you, I'm a petrol head, always have been. The bigger the better, but I think I'm starting to turn to the dark side. I have been incredibly impressed by this battery mower. Now, this particular mower, which is a Ryobi, I'll put the details up on there later on as to which model it is. But this one comes with two batteries, two 6 amp hour Ryobi batteries. So it gives you a total of 36 volts. It's got power settings up here at the handle. Okay, for the modes, for the Eco, the Smart or the Power. With the Eco mode, you're saving battery and you're only using the one battery. I would recommend that only if you got just short grass, short lawn. If it's starting to get longer, you can go up to the Smart one, which actually means that as the power drops, because you may hit a thick patch, it'll rev up automatically on you. There is a bit of lag time though. I tend to just go straight with the power mode. It uses both batteries at the same time. You get double the power, double the time, because it's using both batteries. So you got twice as much length of time to actually cut. Safety features. When you start one of these things, it's so simple and easy. Hit the button, which is a safety switch. A green power mode comes on. Hit any one of these side things. If you let go, it turns off. Now, it's got two levers, so you can use it with either hand or both. Very ergonomic, brilliant. Now, this particular model also comes with a side catcher as part of the deal. So as you're cutting it, it throws it down instead of into a catcher, and so you're basically mulching it back onto the grass, onto the lawn. It's actually good for the lawn, provided that it's not super thick and super heavy, because then you're just laying it on top of the lawn and it kills the lawn. If it's the light stuff, then it's actually beneficial for the grass, because it'll all wash back down in towards the roots and actually mulch down towards the roots, and it'll keep it moist. Not only that, but as it breaks down, as you know with mulching, it'll actually feed it. So yeah, that's the side catcher, which is included in the pack. But what impressed me most about this thing, as if I haven't listed enough already, is this catcher. I thought, yeah, this will last about 2 weeks and I can chuck it out. But it's unbelievable. And it's one of the only ones that I have ever seen where you can just drop it in between the handles, use this bit here, hook it in, that's it. I mean, seriously, can it get any easier than that? And when you pick it up, and it's got a convenient handle up at the end there, you pick it up, unbelievable. I don't know why the latest modern petrol mowers haven't caught up with that. That's just crazy. That's how easy it is. That's it. I love it. Now, I'll give you another demonstration just quickly, and you check out the difference in the noise. electric mower, battery mower in this case. Safety switch on, handle in. Now with the petrol mower, same deal. I've already primed it. I thought I primed it. Yeah, it's got fuel in there. I don't want to mow with it, I just want to start it. That's never done that to me before.
Oh, it's been sitting around for a long time.
Really? I'll give you a caveat on this, apart from the fact that you saw how long it took me to start it. If you had an acre of lawn to do, or just a very big yard, I would hesitate in using a battery mower, only because you'll run out of power eventually, which means you're going to have to stop, wait for it to recharge before you can start again. With a petrol mower you can run all day. You run out of fuel, you'll top it up, off you go again. It's basically you don't stop. That's the only downfall so far with a battery mower. But if you've got like an average size front yard, and even a backyard, one of these, more than sufficient. I would recommend it. Let's have a bit of a go. How you adjust it, you just lift up the lever to the desired side. There you go. You get the idea. I don't think I'll go back to a petrol mower again. I love it. To give you an idea, This lawn is a buffalo hybrid. Normally buffalo's pretty good. We didn't know this when we laid it. It's actually quite hardy, but this particular one, which is a, like I said, buffalo hybrid, it's called Tiff Tuff, but I don't know if you can zoom in on that and check it out. It's very narrow blade. So if this is wet, most mowers, if it's fairly high, will struggle because it'll clog up, simply because it's such a narrow blade and it stands right up tall. So far I've mowed this wet and I haven't had a problem.
Face this way when you're talking. Now we want a photo. What do you want to do a photo of? You prepared to lie down with your hands behind your head, relaxing on the nice soft grass?
Why not? That's a good idea.
Alright, what side do you want, left or right?
Put me on the right hand side.
I've just got to stop the video.
Yeah, so that's my small demo. Difference between petrol and battery. If you like what you've seen so far, you know the deal. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. We love that. And it helps us a lot. Thanks guys.